afternoon to you, West Michigan. We are looking at a really pleasant day developing here in the Great Lakes region. In fact, a good deal of sunshine around. Just a few fair weather clouds are starting to move in. High temps right around 80 degrees. We do have a warmer and more humid weekend on the horizon, and that's going to bring along with it a bit of a pattern shift. So some showers and thunderstorms will be developing. Locally, heavy rain is now a good bet here later Saturday evening into Saturday night. We're optimistic the rain should clear out by midday Sunday, so it won't be a complete washout this weekend, starting out Saturday on with dry conditions and then tending to build in that wet weather later in the day and then drying things out by the tail end of the day Sunday. So again, we'll get a period of rain, but we'll also have some dry weather conditions this weekend as well. Sharply cooler air, though, is on the horizon as we head into the early to middle part of next week. In fact, by Tuesday, we have a pretty good bet that we won't make it out of the 60s for afternoon highs. As we check it out for you this midday, a live view downtown Grand Rapids, the Grand Valley State University campus, as we look at the traffic moving along pretty smoothly. US 131 north and southbound. Temps outside in the low to mid 70s right now, 76 degrees in Grand Rapids, 75 in Kalamazoo, 74 in Big Rapids, 76 in Muskegon, 78 now in Holland. As we look at Storm Track Live radar, you'll see it's quiet now. Still a big blocking area of high pressure in control of our weather, but check out what's going on off to our west. There is some rain out in central Wisconsin, which really starts to increase in terms of the aerial coverage back into Minnesota and Iowa. It's going to be happening here. This is gelling into a storm system, which is going to be moving into West Michigan later in the day tomorrow. In fact, the Futurecast computer model is doing a really good job in handling not only the intensity of the precipitation heading in, but also the arrival time as well. Check out 4 o'clock this afternoon. Again, still looking at dry conditions. Clouds start to increase, so I think we'll see some high-level clouds rolling in later this afternoon into the early evening hours. By daybreak tomorrow, again, still looking at just the clouds on the increase. A few showers will try to develop early tomorrow afternoon, but much of the afternoon looks to be dry. 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, a band of showers north of Big Rapids, but you can see what happens tomorrow evening. By about 7 or 8 o'clock, we start to see some more widespread moderate to heavy rain building in, and then as we head into late Saturday afternoon, into late Saturday evening and into the first part of the overnight period into early Sunday, we get some really heavy rain that comes through. At this point, the heaviest rain looks to track south and east of Grand Rapids toward Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, Jackson, and then over east of the Lansing area. But again, the potential will be there for some periods of heavy rain from late Saturday through at least midday Sunday. Sunday afternoon, we should dry things out for the most part. High temps this weekend in the low 80s. And then as we look ahead, another storm system comes into play with gusty winds on Monday, a few showers and thunderstorms developing, and then that sharply cooler air settles in on Tuesday. Highs only in the 60s. And drawing your attention, early Sunday morning and Tuesday afternoon, the same value. Forecast lows, forecast highs. Not what we like to do for you this time of the year. We do dry out back to sunshine for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and almost 80 again a week from today. So at least the cool weather and the wet weather, only temporary visitors this time of the year.
Just a little bit fall-like.
Brilliant full moon still in the skies overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning as well. But the clouds are going to be moving in, not quite the beautiful moon shot that we had early this morning.
Well, good to know. We know you'll be tracking this through the weekend, so
That's
we'll
right.
stay tuned. All right.
Sure.
Thank you, Terry.